Welcome back. As you can see, we've gotten another delivery from Blue Apron. Let's see what we got in the web shipment. As always, we're going to start with our cards. Let's see what we got. Alright, first recipe is Francese-Style Chicken. I think that's how you say it. It's basically a seared chicken. This is what it's going to look like, a little bit about it. The pictures of the ingredients and then the ingredients, and it looks like we're going to have a knick-knack pack. The other recipe, Monterey Jack and spiced pepper quesadillas. That looks pretty tasty. There's our description, a little bit of what it's going to look like, the pictures of the ingredients, and yet another knick-knack pack. Let's open them up and see what's going on here. Alright. Starting with, if you look at those are fresh romaine hearts. Arugula. Green beans. Yes. Tinkerbell peppers. We've used these before in several recipes. Cherry tomatoes. More cherry tomatoes. Quesadilla knick-knack and the chicken knick-knack, so we'll pull on those. We saw in the picture there that the side for the quesadilla is corn, so I'm going to guess that's what these corn's on cob for. The lime and the lemon. Baby leeks. They look more like green onions to me, but okay. Parsley. Oh, sorry, cilantro. Red skin potatoes. This feels like eggs. Yeah, indeed, 2 eggs. Tortillas, flour, garlic, radishes, Monterey Jack, all-purpose flour, chicken breast cutlet, boneless, baby Parmesan cheese. This is for the chicken. Whole grain Dijon mustard. Kind of see the grains of it. And the shallot. Quesadilla time. See? You're excited. A happy boy. Oh, I think I got a couple of these in the cabin. The famous Mexican spice blend. Grated cotija cheese. Mexican crock. I think that's everything. So, it's time for my lovely assistant to decide that we're going to have some quesadillas tonight. Quesadillas it is. I know my wife. Alright, tune in for the next video where we're going to make these lovely quesadillas that are Monterey Jack and spiced pepper quesadillas with some corn on the cob. As always, like my video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and check back for the preparation of the food.